Yes, good morning students. Welcome to mathematics class. So we are discussing number system chapter assignment questions right now. Yesterday we discussed half assignment. So today we are going to continue that assignment one which is related to number system, right? So now we have to discuss the sixth problem, okay? So sixth problem is like this. Actually, without actual division, decide which of the following rational numbers have terminating decimal representation. Actually, student, this is a 10th standard topic actually. In 10th standard, you have one chapter that is real numbers. In that real numbers, we have to study this topic only. But in the assignment, they have covered this problem also. It's okay, let us learn something now. Okay, what is that actually? Without actual division. So we cannot do the division. Without actual division, decide which of the following rational number have terminating decimal representation. So without division, how can we tell that it is a terminating decimal or non-terminating, non-recurring decimal? Can you tell me? How many of you are having the idea about this concept? Tell me fatafat. Yes. Do you know without division, without actual division, so we cannot do the normal division. But we have to say that whether the given fraction is terminating or non-terminating, recurring or non-recurring. How can we decide this one? Without doing the division, how can we decide this one? Tell me first. Yes. How many of you are having the idea of this concept, students? Yes. If you know, you can discuss now. Yeah, now how many of you know this topic? Raise your hands fast. How many of you know this topic? Raise your hands fast. How many of you finished this problem actually? Without actual division. Here we cannot do the division. But we have to tell the given rational numbers are having the terminating decimal expansion or not. Okay. Terminating or non-terminating, recurring we have to tell now because they have mentioned. See here, I'll read the question once again. Without actual division, decide which of the following rational number. They have already mentioned that it is a rational number. We have two options for the rational numbers. Rational number decimal expansion is either terminating or non-terminating, recurring only. Because non-terminating, non-recurring in the sense it comes under the irrational group. But they are telling that this is a rational numbers only. Just we have to say that rational number, just whether they are, whether it is a terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion. Yes. How many of you solved this problem? Raise your hands. Abhiram. 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 Yes, did you work out this problem?
No, Mataji.
No, did you got the, so you have not done, no? Yes. Yes, we will ask with some students. Swasti, yes, Swasti raised the hand. Swasti, yes. How you solve this problem, Swasti? Swasti?
हाँ माताजी
Yes, how you solve this problem, Swasti?
माताजी फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम
हाँ, first problem.
33 divided by 375, that 375 I convert to 5 raised to 3 into 3.
हाँ, okay, then?
Then माताजी
Yes, tell me, Swasti. What you did actually just explain that one, not a problem. Then what answer you got actually? You converted that denominator into 3 into 5 power, no?
हाँ
Then how can you verify that whether it is a terminating or non-terminating recurring?
माताजी it's not terminating.
Why? Why you are telling that it is not non-terminating? According to you, it is not a terminating. It is a non-terminating recurring, no? How you got that answer non-terminating recurring for that? Yes? Is there anyone to explain this one? Yes, Danya is ready. Swasti, your answer is right actually, huh? Okay, thank you so much. Danya, what is your opinion?
Mataji, if it is in the form of 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, it is terminating.
Okay, 1 second. 2 raised to n into 5 raised to n only. 2 raised to n into 5
M,
raised to
Mataji.
n in the sense to same
2
power we
raised to
have
m,
to take.
Mataji. 2 raised to
Okay.
m.
2 raised to m we have to take. Yes, very good. M and n are different powers. Maybe 2 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 3. Can we take like this? You are discussing about the numerator or denominator?
It's denominator.
Yeah, denominator. So can we take only 2 power? Can we take only 2 power? See here you are telling that 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. No. 2 raised to m into, if the denominator prime factorization is in the form of 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, then we can say that the given rational number is a terminating rational number. Otherwise, it is not a terminating rational number. Okay, I'll explain this problem with the page sharing, students. See here. See, the first question is like this. We'll work out the first question. Remaining question you can work out now. Yes, first question is like this. 33 divided by 375. The first question is 33 divided by 375. Is it a rational number, students? Yes, of course. This is in the form of P by Q. It is a rational number. We have to say that this rational number is whether terminating or not. So we have to say the decimal expansion of this one, terminating or non-terminating recurring. But we cannot do the division. Then it is a hectic work now. So we know only division process to guess the decimal expansion, whether it is a terminating or non-terminating recurring. So for that in 10th standard textbook, they have given one special trick actually. What trick is, so we have to do the prime factorization. We have to find out the factors of this one. Okay. If the factors are in the form of 2 raised to m and 5 raised to n. Okay. 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. Then only you can say that the given rational number is a terminating. Let us see the answer for this. Prime factorization. You all know, no? 375. Now which number we have to take for the first? 5 we have to take here. So next, can you guess the next number here? 5 sevens are. Okay, 5 sevens are 35. Then here 2 remaining 25. 5 fives are 25. Next again we can take 5 now. Then 5 ones are 5. Here 2 remaining 25. Then 25 in the sense 5 fives are. Again you can take 5, then 5 threes are 15. Now we have to take 3 only. So 3 ones are. So you are observing that here this factor 375 which can be expressed in the form of 5 cube into 3. 3 raised to 1 only. Right now 5 cube into 3. But what we need actually 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n actually we need. 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. But here 3 is there. So 3 ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ. 3 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್. Is that okay? Okay, either 2 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ 2 ಇದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ. ಆರ್ ಬರೀ 5 ಇದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ. ಅಥವಾ 2 into 5 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು 5 ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆರ್ 2 ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Otherwise, it is a non-terminating, non-recurring. Now, we got the answer for this question as 33. Numerator as it is, we have to keep. But just we have to see the denominator. If the denominator is in the form of 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, then we can say that it is a terminating. Okay. Now, the factors, prime factorization, that is 5 cube into 3. This is not in the form of 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. Therefore, 33 divided by 375 is not a terminating decimal expansion. So, it is terminating alla. Not a terminating decimal expansion. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. How, Mataji? Because they have given that it's a rational number. rational number ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ another one is non terminating recurring decimal expansion. Here we got the answer that it is not a terminating decimal expansion in the sense the answer must be non terminating non recurring. But in the question they have asked only to check the terminating condition. So what we have to write? It is not a terminating decimal expansion. Got the idea of this problem, students? Okay, you will study this concept in next year also. Okay, no need to worry about that topic. Now 15 by 28, you cannot divide this one. Actually they have given clearly without actual division. Without actual division you have to give the answer. So there is a trick for the denominator. Denominator you have to find out the factors. Okay, so here you got here 15 divided by 28. So 28 is in the form of 2 square into 7. Can I show this one how to do the prime factorization for this? Okay, so very simple. 28 small number we have to take for this one. 28 2 we can take now. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Next again we can take 2, then 2 sevens are directly 2 sevens are. Next 7, for 7 we have to take 7 only. 7 ones are. See here 2 square into 7. 2 square into 7. So here you just observe 2 square into 7. 7 comes now. So this problem is also not a terminating decimal expansion. This is also not a terminating decimal expansion. Got the same answer now? Yes. Now 16 by 45. 16 by 45. Then 45 prime factorization when we expressed in the form of powers 3 square into 5. Again 3 comes. 3 we don't want 3. In the denominator place we need 2 or 5 or 2 and 5 both. Okay, here we got 3 actually. So from this, just by observing this condition only, we can say that it is not a terminating decimal expansion. Next, see here 12 divided by 35. 12 by 35. 35, for that 7 into 5. Factors are 7 into 5 only. 7 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 1. Here we got 7. So that it is not a terminating decimal expansion. Okay, it is not terminating decimal expansion. Okay, next one 80 divided by 27. 80 divided by 27, you can express this in the form of 3 cube. You all know no 3 cube. 27 I'll show here. 27 only denominator. We have to see the denominator. Okay, 27. Number is 3. First small number we have to take it as 3. So 3 nines are. Then 3 threes are. Then 3 ones are. 3 cube. Only one number, that is 3 cube. 3 cube is it is not in our dictionary, right? So this is not a terminating. Okay, non-terminating. It's a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. That type also you can write. It is a non-terminating. Athwa not terminating. That type also you can write. Next, last question. 123 divided by 1250. 123 divided by 1250 is equal to 123 divided by 2 into 5 to the power of 4. Finally, we got one question. Okay, 2 into 5. So here in the denominator place, we need these two numbers, that is 2 and 5. 2 raised to 1, nothing is there in the sense 1. 5 raised to 4. If the denominator power is in the form of 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, then we can say that this is a terminating decimal expansion. So this one is a terminating decimal expansion. Got the idea of this concept, students? Yes, yes. Did you got the same answer? First 5 are non-terminating and last one is terminating. How many of you got the answer for this question? Same to same answer. Tanusha, Danya, yes. Next, Tanvi also got the same answer. Swasti, yes, very good. Sushrita, yes. Aditi, Pranati, very good. You all tried very nice, huh? Very good, very good. Huh? Keep it up. So you have to actively participate in the class and also you have to take the work very seriously because Now, in few days, we are entering the new year. No, we have to enter to the new year. Okay, new year in the sense only few days remaining for your examination also. Okay, so you have to be ready for the examination. Yes, got the idea of this problem, students? Yes, yes. Next, let us move on to the next main. Next main is very simple main. Okay, seventh main we have to work out now. Seventh main question. What is that question? Seventh main question actually. Examine whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. Examine whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. First, I'll write down all the question. 3 root 8 divided by root 2. 3 root 8 divided by root 2. Okay. So then next question also I'll write on the board only. I'll explain this topic on the board only with the help of board only. Okay. Next one is root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Is it root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square or root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square? I did the correction for this for some students, but some students they took this problem in the form of root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square only. Actually, let us ask, Anant is there? No. Anant is not there, no? Okay, Anant is not there. Yes, Chaya? Chaya?
Yes, Mataji.
That day you asked this question actually, what is the sign?
No, Mataji, I'm not.
Is this question Chaya or Danya?
Mataji, I asked it.
Yeah, Danya. How you took this problem actually?
Root 2 plus 1 by root 2.
Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 you took. Okay. So we'll take both the conditions. Some students they took the problem in the form of root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. But some students they have corrected this in the form of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. Actually in the assignment worksheet that symbol is not proper actually. Okay, so many students asked their doubt. I corrected that in the form of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. But some students, they only took the problem like root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, not a problem. That is your wish. You can solve the problem in both the way. Okay. So root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square also you can take, or root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square also you can take. Let us work out both the problems. Okay, so that it will be clear now. Yes, now next third one is 22 by 7. Divided by 5 pi. Okay, so third problem is 22 by 7 divided by 5 pi. Let us work out this problem also. Fourth problem, 3 plus root 2 into 2 minus root 3 into 3 minus root 2 into 2 plus root 3. Right now, this is the question actually. Yes, so we have to check hard. This is the seventh main actually. So now stop sharing. We'll discuss the answer with the help of board. Okay. Yes. Now let us come to the first question. So we have to simplify this one given expression, and whatever we got the answer, no, we have to see whether it is a rational or irrational. Can we work out the first one? First one, 3 root 8 divided by root 2. How to express this one? Root 8. We can express root 8 in the form of 4 2s are 8. Can I take like this? 4 2s are 8 now? Yes, divided by root 2. Next, 3 into. Can we remove this root 4 outside? When we take root 4 outside, then we'll get 2. 3 into 2 into root 2 divided by one more root 2 is there. Got the idea of this one? Then root 2 get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 6 is a rational or irrational? It's a rational number. Rational. Okay. We got the result for this question as rational. I think you also have got the same answer, no? Yes. Just verify your answer, students. Okay, now let us come to this one. Root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Then root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. Some students they took the problem in this way. Some students they took the problems in that way. Okay, so let us work out this one first. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let us substitute root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square, which is equal to a square, that is root 2 square, plus 2 into a value is root 2, b value is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, next step. Root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square is, here square root get cancelled 2, plus here 2 get cancelled root 2, plus then 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Yes, next, just by looking this expression only, we can say that root 2 will be remaining, no? So we can add this 2 and 1 by 4. We can add this 2 and 1 by 4 by taking the LCM. But here root 2 we cannot add. So root 2 plus root 2 will be like that only. So just by adding root 2, can we convert this into rational number? No, this is irrational. This is irrational. Okay. So you can add this one. 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Plus root 2. Here what is the LCM now? Here I will continue this one. 2 by 1 plus 1 by 4. What answer you will get actually? 4. Then 8 plus 1 plus root 2. Then which is equal to 9 by 4 plus root 2. This is the final answer. 9 by 4 plus root 2. 9 by 4 in the sense some decimal expansion you will get. For that, if we add root 2, no changes in the expression that will get. So irrational only. So the expression is irrational. Got the idea of this one? Irrational. Just we have to apply a plus b whole square formula. Is that clear? Now, can we work out that problem actually? Yes, now let us work out that problem. So, root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. So, say the next question is root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. Again, same to same formula we have to take a square. A square is root 2 square. 2 into root 2 into, okay, 1 by root 2. 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b plus 1 by root 2 whole square. Got the idea of this one? A plus b whole square. Next to square root get cancelled 2 plus here root 2 only cancelled. 2 into 1 is 2 plus here 1 square is 1 only divided by square root get cancelled 2. So therefore 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 by 2. So what is the LCM here? 2. Okay. So here 8 plus 1. So which is equal to 9 by 2. It's a rational. It's a rational number. Okay. So if you took the problem root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square, you will get rational number as the answer. If you took the problem in the form of root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square, then you will get the answer in the form of irrational. Got the difference between these two conditions? Okay. Yes. So if you worked out by root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square, then you take this problem also in your notebook. In the last page, you write this problem also. Or, so if you worked out this method only, then you took that problem also. Root 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square also, you just write it in the last. Okay. Is that clear, this problem? Yes. So we'll go to the next question now. I'll erase this one. I'll write the third question here. Third problem is like this. Third problem is 22 by 7 divided by 5 pi. 22 by 7 divided by 5 pi. Then how to take this problem actually? How to take this problem actually? 22 by 7 divided by 5 pi. 5 pi. Yes, what we have to do here? What we have to do here? 22 by 7, okay, divided by 5 into pi value. Pi can be substitute 22 by 7 only. No, or you can keep that pi as pi only. Here denominator 1 is there. Then 22 by 7. So let us take the reciprocal step. 5 pi by 1 will write it as 1 by 5 pi. 1 by 5 pi. Okay, yes, numerator as pi. Okay, next 22 by 7 into 1 by 5 pi. Pi is irrational. We all know pi is irrational. 22 into 1 is 22. Then 7 5 7 into 5 pi. 35 pi. 22 divided by 35 pi. So you have pi in the denominator. So you will get irrational only, no? Pi is denominator. Yes, irrational only. Shreya? Yes, Shreya? How you worked out this problem, Shreya?
Mataji, to make it easy,
Huh.
22 by 7 I took as pi, means that sign.
Okay, pi only you took that one.
Ha, Mother.
Then pi cancelled.
Hello.
Hello?
Ha, Mataji, once again.
1 second. What you did actually, 22 by 7, you took it as pi only. Then you cancelled pi.
Ha, Mataji. First second.
You cancelled pi, Shreya.
Numerator also there is pi in denominator.
Okay, then you got rational answer.
Ha, Mataji.
Okay, but see, if we take actually pi 22 by 7, that day we discussed now actually 22 by 7 is a rational number actually. Pi is a rational number. Then what we have to do here? We have to see this topic, no? Actually, that day we discussed actually. Pi 22 by 7 is a just approximated value of pi. Pi is actually irrational. Pi is non-terminating, non-recurring. This 22 by 7 we are using, no? Just a approximation only for the problems part we are using that one as a 22 by 7. But 22 by 7 ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾನ್ ರಿಕರಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು rational number ಆಯ್ತು. See here, 22 by 7 is rational, pi is irrational. Then how can we take that one 22 by 7 as pi? Yes, so we have to think this situation, no? Yes, we have to think ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು 22 by 7 ಅನ್ನ. Yes, I also took 22 by 7 as pi only. Okay, Vaishnavi, all are taking that one only. You are taking an idea. So always in mind 22 by 7 in the sense pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಎಸ್, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆನು ಪೈ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಓಕೆ, ನಾವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪೈ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೊಂದು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 22 by 7 ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 22 by 7 ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಾಷನಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಒನ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ 22 by 7 ಆಸ್ ಪೈ. ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 22 by 7. ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್? ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Do you have any condition for that? Do you have any condition for that? No, no. So if we are not having that condition, then we cannot take that 22 by 7 as pi. Okay, so if they have given the condition that pi is equal to 22 by 7, in the bracket if they mention pi is equal to 22 by 7, you can work out this problem in the form of 22 by 7 you can take pi, then 5 pi cancel, 1 by 5. You can say that this expression is rational. You can say that this expression is rational. But there is no condition that pi is equal to 22 by 7 ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. 22 by 7 ಅನ್ನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪೈ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. 22 by 7 is just approximated a value of pi. Pi is not exactly equal to 22 by 7. So you have to keep that concept in mind. Pi is 3.14 so on up to infinity, non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. but we cannot use that non-terminating, non-recurring for our calculation purpose. That's why just approximated value is 22 by 7. Accurate value is not 22 by 7. So pi is irrational, 22 by 7 is rational. So that we have to treat this problem in the form of this is rational, this is irrational. Rational divided by irrational, what answer you will get? That you have to think. Rational divided by irrational, what answer you will get? Rational divided by irrational. So we have discussed in the number system chapter, no operation on real numbers. Yes, irrational only. So this answer is irrational. Just by looking the problem only we can say that irrational. Okay, irrational we have to write. Okay, irrational we have to write this condition. Can you correct this problem actually? So or you do one thing, don't strike out the problem. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ pi is equal to 22/7 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi is equal to 22/7 ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ irrational ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ you can give the statement no in operation on real numbers. Actually we discussed in the textbook also in number system chapter, it is clearly given that, see here, see, if we add, subtract, multiply, the sum or difference of a rational number and an irrational number is irrational. Okay, then the product or quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is irrational. Yes, Tanusha. See, in your textbook, one sentence is clearly given that the product or quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is irrational. Product or quotient, second statement. Okay, so second statement, operation on real number topic you just open in your textbook after the class. In that, 3 properties are given about the operation on real number. First sentence is the sum or difference of a rational number and an irrational number is a irrational. The product or quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is irrational. It is clearly mentioned. Now we have to take this 22/7 in the form of rational actually. When we see the decimal expansion of this 22/7, we get rational. Rational divided by irrational, the answer is irrational only. Got the idea of this concept, students? Yes. Okay. Next, third property is also there, and just I want to recall this property. If we add, subtract, multiply, or divide two irrational numbers, the result may be rational or irrational. ಎರಡು irrational ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಾಷನಲ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 22/7 ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಆಲ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ 22/7 is a rational. So 22/7, pi is irrational. Rational divided by irrational, answer is irrational only. Got the idea of this situation, students? Yes. Okay, this problem gives lot of explanation, no? Yes. Now let us continue with the next one. So next problem is here. I'll work out the next question. 3 plus root 2. Okay, 3 plus root 2 into 2 minus root 3, then 3 minus root 2 into 2 plus root 3. Yeah, very nice question, huh? See here, just observe the question here. 3 plus root 2 into 2 minus root 3, 3 minus root 2 into 2 plus root 3. See friends, 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2. Then 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3. Can we arrange it one side? Okay, first step, 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2. Then here, 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. Got the idea of this one? Now we can apply a plus b into a minus b topic, no? A plus b into a minus b. Once again, a plus b into a minus b. Got the idea of this one? Yes. Now, a square minus b square, that is 3 square minus root 2 whole square. 3 square minus root 2 whole square. What next? There also will get 2 square minus root 3 whole square. 2 square minus root 3 whole square. What answer will get actually? So is there any sign between this one? Okay, you just to see that actually. Let us see. Yeah, multiplication sign only, no? Yes. See here we have to put big bracket here because in between no sign is there, no? So now 3 square is 9 minus root 2 whole square is 2 only, 9 minus 2 into 2 square is 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3 only. Now 9 minus 2 is 7 into 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 ones are 7. 7 is a rational number. Got the idea of this one? 7 is a rational number. Here we used actually, what we used actually? A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square topic. Got the idea of this concept, students? Yes, now we'll move on to the next one, 8th one. Represent 8 by 5 and root 20 on a number line. So for this and all, you all know how to represent this one, no? 8 by 5, 1 whole 3 by 5. Here we converted this in the form of mixed fraction. So 0, 1, 2. So numbers number line, you have got the idea, no? In between 1 and 2, here we make here 5 equal parts here. 1 whole 3 by 5. Here third line out of 5. Okay, 1 whole 3 by 5. This is the location of 8 by 5. So you all know this concepts. You have all learned this concept in your smaller classes only. So this is the representation of 8 by 5. Next is root 20. So that we discussed in the number system chapter, right? Root 20, you have to use Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle you have to take. So hypotenuse must be root 20. Then which two numbers we have to take for the base and height? So you can take base as 4, height as 2. Okay. Here she took actually base 4. 4 square is 16. Height is 2. 2 square is 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. AC square is equal to 20 in the sense AC is equal to root 20. Got the idea now? Actually base 4, height 2. First 0 in the 4 ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 centimeter arc cut. We have to cut an arc of 2 centimeter. Then we have to join this C to 0 position. There you will get one right angle triangle. AC gives the root 20 value. Then you have to fix this distance in your compass. From O point or 0 point only, you have to cut an arc of this AC measurement. Then root 20 which comes under 4 and 5. Root 20 which comes under 4 and 5. Got the idea of this concept now? Yes. Next, represent square root of 5.2 on number line. So for that 5.2 on number line, how to solve this problem actually? 5.2 line segment first you have to draw. Then for that 1 centimeter extra you have to draw for that 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. Total 6 point. See here. This is 5.2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 centimeter extra draw ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ. Total 6.2 ಆಯಿತು. Next ಅದಕ್ಕೆ exact midpoint ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Drawing perpendicular bisector. ಸೊ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 centimeter ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅದೇನ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗಿದೆ. ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪಾಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನೇ ಅದರ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ 9th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು represent 0.436 on the number line. ಇದು magnifying glass ಇಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. So that day we discussed, actually this is not for the sake of examination point of view, just for your knowledge purpose. 0.436 first 0 ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0.4 ಮತ್ತೆ 0.5 ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. 0.41, 42, 43 ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ 0.436 ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, 0.43 ಮತ್ತೆ 0.44 ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಅವಾಗ 0.436 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೋ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಈಸ್ insert 6 rational numbers between -2/3 and 3/4. So these are all easy topics, right? Now 6 rational numbers between -2/3 and 3/4. So we have to take the equal denominator. Here 3 is there, here 4 is there. First what we have to do, -2/3, for that we have to multiply 4/4 so that it becomes -8/12. And for this 3/4, we have to multiply by 3/3 because 4 3s are 12. Here 3 4s are 12. So here we will get 9/12. -8/12 and plus 9/12 we got. In between -2/3 and 3/4, -8/12 andre -7/12, -6/12, -5/12, -3/12, then plus 7/12, then 8/12. You can write many rational numbers, no? So, or you can work out, is there any other method to find out the answer for this question, students? How many of you got the same answer for this? -8/12 and plus 9/12. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು -8/12 and plus 9/12 ನೀವು ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -7/2, -6/12, -5/12, -3/12, -1/12, then 0/12. 0/12 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, like that you can write the rational numbers. Got the idea of this topic? How many of you got the same answer for this question? Raise your hands. How many of you got the same answer for these questions? Swasti, then Anudeep. Okay, students, these are all easy questions, no? Yes. 11th one is like this. Find two irrational numbers between √3 and √2. Find two irrational numbers between √3 and √2. First, you have to find out the decimal expansion of √3. √3 starting range is 1.732. √2 range is 1.41 actually. Okay, so find two irrational numbers between √3 and √2. Irrational numbers ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.4 to 1.72 ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So whether it is a rational or irrational, students? Irrational or rational? If it is a rational number, then 1.4 to 1.72, right? If it is an irrational number, then you have to start from 1.42, 1.422, 1.42222, like that you have to write. Okay? Yes, tell me, is it a rational or irrational? Both you can add. Okay, both you can add. Find two irrational numbers and rational numbers between √3 and √2. So first you have to identify the decimal expansion of √3 and √2. 1.732 and 1.41. In between we have to write, actually here it is a rational number. 1.42 terminating it is 1.72 rational number. In this way only you can write the irrational also. Irrational numbers is like this. Okay, irrational number you can write 1.42, 422, 42222, 42222, like that you can continue up to infinity. Next 1.723, 7233, 72333, so on up to infinity. Like that you can give the example for irrational numbers also. Both rational and irrational you can do that one. Okay, here it is a rational number. Got the idea of this problem, students? Yes. Now rationalize the denominator of 1 divided by 1 minus √7. So this is a simple topic, no? So no need to explain this problem on the board, right? Okay. So here RF is 1 plus √7. 1 by 1 minus √7 into 1 plus √7 divided by 1 plus √7. Okay, so next to multiplication, 1 plus root 7 divided by here a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. There you will get 1 square minus 7. Then 1 plus root 7 divided by 1 minus 7, which is equal to 1 plus root 7 divided by minus 6. This is the answer. I think many students. Mataji explain 11th ones once again. 11th problem actually, they have asked to find two irrational numbers between root 3 and root 2. How to write irrational numbers between root 2 and root 3? First you have to write the decimal expansion of that root 2 and root 3. See, root 3 decimal expansion is under 1.732 so on up to infinity. Then root 2 is 1.41 so on up to infinity. We don't want the remaining portions and all. Just we need the starting range 1.73. That's enough. Root 2 value is in between 1.41. Okay. So then root 3 and root 2, in between root 2 and root 3, we have to write two irrational numbers. See here. 1.42, 422, 4222 like that. This is so on up to infinity. First example. Then 1.723, 7233, 72333 so on up to infinity. This is second example. Here she she wrote the answer in the form of 1.42 and 1.72 actually. This is rational numbers. Okay. So here two examples are rational number. You can write the irrational examples as like this. Got the idea of this one? In between root 2 and root 3 we have to write the answer.
Mataji, but in question it is not root 2, right?
What is that actually?
Only 2, Mataji.
Only 2 that one. Okay, then root 3 and 2 we have to write. Okay, then also we can solve the problem, no? If it is root 3 and root 2 also, see, just consider actually, this is root 3 and root 2 anta idre, actually answer bartade. Okay, root 3 and root 2. If it is a root 3 and 2, then we can write the answer in the form of, see, root 3 expansion is 1.732 so on up to infinity, no? Root 3 which is equal to 1.732 so on up to infinity. Root 3 expansion is actually non-terminating, non-recurring. In between root 3 and 2 is there, no? Okay, 1.7 and 2. In between this only we have to write. Then we have to write the example in the form of, first example 1.7 in the mele, 2 in the vadagade baribeku ನಾವು 1.742, 7422, 74222 like that you can continue up to infinity. Another example 1.82, 822, 822 like that so on up to infinity. If it is a question root 3 and in between 2, so these are the two examples for irrational number. If it is in between root 3 and root 2, so then here these two examples, irrational numbers. Got the idea of this one? Yes, Shreya?
Yes, Mataji.
Got the idea? Both type you can take the problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳು root 2 ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀನ್ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, yes. Next, 12th question, got the idea now? 12th question is over. Next, 13th question. Given root 3 is equal to 1.732 approximately. Given root 3 is equal to 1.732 approximately. Find 3 places. Okay, decimal, the value of 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Root 3 is given that 1.732 approximately. We have to find out the value of this one. 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Okay. Yes. How you worked out this problem actually? Just we have to substitute given root 3 is equal to 1.732 approximated value is given. Substitution and simplification. Substitution and simplification. 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Then directly she substituted the value and simplified. So 3.52050473. How many of you got this answer? Raise your hands actually. How many of you got this answer? Kritika, you got the same answer, Kritika? Yes, next. Aditi, Swasti, you also got the same answer? Swasti, you also got the same answer?
हाँ माताजी.
Yes, Aryan, what about Aryan? 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 Chaya, Danya, Karun, Pranati, Preetam, Rachita, Sambrama, Shreya, Shri Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Shreya.
हाँ Mataji.
How much you got for this question, Shreya?
Mataji, actually, I don't have my answer sheet here. Actually.
Okay, it's okay. Did you finish this problem actually?
Yes, Mataji, I have finished.
How you worked out actually? By applying rationalizing the denominator or direct substitution?
Mataji, direct substitution.
Yeah, direct substitution only, in the sense I think you have got the same answer only. Okay. Afterwards, you just verify this answer. Okay, Shreya?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, then Shri Krishna, Sushant, Sushrita, Swasti, Vindhya. Okay, yes. Many students got the same answer for this question. Okay. Preetam left the meeting. Okay. So we'll try to finish the problems as. Okay. Find the values of, next 14th question is, find the values of A and B if 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. This problem I only work out on the board. Okay. So find the values of A and B. Only one problem I'll work out. Second problem, yesterday we changed it, that second problem. Now actually this one only. 14th main or which main? Which main we changed actually? 15th one is easy. 16th. Okay. 14th main only. Okay. Yes. See, first one question will work out. 5 plus 2 root 3. 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay. So, which is equal to A plus B root 3. Which is equal to A plus B root 3 is that. Using this condition, we have to find out the values of A and B. Okay. Using this condition, we have to find out the values of A and B. Just to see this question, student. Now, first step. 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 into rationalizing factor. 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3, which is equal to actually RHS part A plus B root 3 only you have to take. RHS as it is you have to take. Now here multiplication part. Here A plus B into A minus B. Now let us start with this 5. Here 5 sevens are, okay, 5 sevens are, we'll start with this one. 5 sevens are, then here minus 5 fours are 20 root 3, then plus 2 sevens are 14 root 3, okay, then plus into minus minus, then 2 root 3 into 4 root 3 is 4 twos are 8, root 3 into root 3 is 3 only, 8 into 3, divided by 7 square, A square minus B square is 4 root 3 whole square, which is equal to A plus B root 3. Next simplification, 35 minus 20 root 3, 14 root 3. Can we simplify this one? Minus 20 root 3 plus is 14 root 3. What answer you will get actually? Minus 6 root 3. Next minus 24 divided by 7 square is 49 minus, here first we have to apply square for 4. 4 that is 16 into square root get cancelled 3, which is equal to A plus B root 3. Okay, so next step, can I work out here? Yes, next step. Yes, 35 minus 24. How much you will get? 5 minus 4 is 1. Then 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So how much will get actually? 35 minus 24. 35 minus 24 is, yes, 11 minus 6 root 3, divided by. So what next actually? So 49 minus 16 threes are. 49 minus 16 threes are. Yes, US Pratham. US Pratham. US Pratham. US Pratham. US Pratham is not there. Escaped from the class. If we ask the question, they will escape actually. So 49 minus 16 threes are 48, which is equal to A plus B root 3. Okay, next step, 11 minus 6 root 3 divided by 1, which is equal to A plus B root 3. So here 1, in the denominator 1, in the sense we can neglect this one. No, we got the expression in the form of 11 minus 6 root 3 is equal to A plus B root 3. Root 3 we got now. Then in place of A, what do you have actually? In A place 11 is there. So the value of A is 11. And in B place, what is there actually? Actually here plus sign is there. Here minus is there. Therefore B is minus 6. So the A value is plus 11 and B value is minus 6. A value is plus 11 and B value is minus 6. How many of you got the same answer for this question, students? Yes, I think almost all. All the students got the same answer. Very good. This is a simple question, no? And next question. Yesterday we changed one question, no? Root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. Did you got the answer for that question? Which is equal to A plus B root 15. We corrected, no? Yes. How many of you got the answer for that question? How many of you got the answer for that question? Because I am not going to discuss that problem again. That is very simple problem. Same to same method you have to apply. You have to find out A and B value. Just I'll send the solution directly. Is it okay? Yes, or you want the explanation for that problem? Did you got the right answer? Or we have to modify the question again? Yes, you have to speak now, fatafat. No, Mataji. Answer siglilva Shreya ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೇನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Yes, what about others? Others? Yes. No need to explain. Mataji, video is buffering but signal is very strong. What we have to do for that, Abhiram? Yeah, 1 second. Yeah. Yes. Video is clear. Okay. So no need to explain that second problem. No, Mataji, your video and audio both are clear. Okay. So I'm going to leave that second problem. If you got proper A and B, just okay, I'll send the solution today. Now while sending the solution, you will get the idea. If it is not proper, then I'll make a different question. Okay, I'll send the different question for you. Okay. Yes, we'll discuss the next one. We'll finish the chapter now. Discussion of assignment 1. Okay, this one over now. Next, 15th one, simplify. I'm not going to explain this topic, students, because again and again rationalize the denominator. You just verify your answer. Okay, today I'll send the answer page for you. Okay, so you just verify your answer. Okay, so 15th main over. 16th main is this one. Okay, so here you are observing this number, no? So evaluate. So to the power of 1 by 2 is there. So then how to take this one actually? So we have to apply the square root for both numerator and denominator. So to the power of 1 by 2 in the sense square root of. Okay, so we have to apply the square root of numerator and denominator. So then we have to remove the square root, then 625 divided by 81. 625 divided by 81. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes, how many of you got 625 by 81? Raise your hands fast. How many of you got 625 by 81? Got the answer? Yes. So you all know how to remove the square root of this number now? Okay, you all know how to remove the square root of this number. Yeah, very simple, but it is in the lakh. Okay, 3,90,625 divided by 6,561. Okay, so just we have to take the half 1 by 2 power in the form of root sign. Okay, when it comes to here, it is root of this one. So then we have to remove the root. Next one, very easy. 1296 to the power of 1 by 4 into 1296 to the power of 1 by 2. Now, 1296, we can write it as 36 square. 36 square? No. 1296. For this, what answer actually? Second one, 1296, 1296. So how can we express this one? Yeah, 36 into 36, correct. 36 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2, right answer. Here 36 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here 2 get cancel, loss of exponents. Then 36 to the power of 1 by 2. Here 36 to the power of 1. So then 36 to the power of 1 by 2 in the sense root 36 actually, that is 6. Here 36. 36 6 is 216. Got the idea of this one, students? So this is a loss of exponents problem. This is a loss of exponents problem. So we have to convert that into small powers. 36 powers. Here she expressed this problem in the form of 36 power. How many of you got 216 for this question? 216 for this question. Yeah, Tanusha, Kritika, yes, very good. Many students, they worked out the problems right now. Very good, very good. So this is the end of the problem, students. This is the end of assignment 1. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Stop sharing. Do you have any confusion regarding this, students? Yes. Do you have any confusion regarding this?
Mataji,
Yeah. Danya.
Maji 13th one I got different answer.
13th one. Which question 13th one actually?
Given root 3 is equal to 1.73 to approximate, find 2, 3 place of decimal the value of.
Okay. Danya, I'll send the answer sheet. Original answer sheet I'll send. Okay, ನಾನೇ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅವಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಓಕೆ
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, because now already time is 11:43. Next is Divya Mataji's class now. Mataji is waiting actually. It's okay, I'll send the answers, okay? Today I'll send the answer sheet. So you just verify your answer with that answer sheet. Is that clear? Okay. Yes, next. Any others want to discuss your doubts? Yes. Okay, so if you are having any confusion regarding this, you can contact, you can call me. I'll give the explanation for that question. First I'll send the solutions. Okay, first I'll send the solution photocopy, okay, in your WhatsApp group, just to verify your answer with your notebook. Okay, so then if we got different answer, then we'll discuss. Is that clear, students? So formally we finished the discussion of assignment 1.